Within the scope of the European Union Medical Device Regulation, clinical investigations for medical devices are specified as part of the clinical evaluation process. After the decision to conduct a clinical investigation is made and the necessary documents are prepared for submission, it is necessary to obtain the approval of the Ethics Committee for all trials. In the case of interventional trials, authorization from the competent authority should be obtained in line with the local regulatory framework of the country concerned. Authorities expect the clinical investigation to be conducted in accordance with the approved clinical investigation plan, Good Clinical Practices ISO 14155 standard, and MDR. It is important to prepare the clinical investigation plan, the case report form, where data will be collected in accordance with this plan, and the informed consent form. This form will explain all the details of the investigation, including the risks and benefits to the subjects. All of this should be done in accordance with the requirements of ISO 14155 and MDR. It is expected that the device to be used would comply with the general safety and performance requirements in a way that will not endanger the patient's health. Precautions would be taken for possible hazards, and the necessary technical, biological, safety and preclinical tests would be performed. The clinical investigation should be designed to have an acceptable level of risk, and the risk threshold and degree of distress to which these subjects will be exposed should be clearly defined within the scope of the clinical investigation plan, and this compliance should be constantly monitored. Statistical analyses should be performed following the data entry and source data verification performed during the study. After the presentation and publication of the report, the data should be archived for a certain period of time. You can contact us through info@desireclinical.com for detailed information and support on the subject.